To start, remove the radio using a set of release keys. Then move on to remove the gear stick cover and pry away the main fascia cover. Now we'll start work on the centre console, starting by removing the two clip-on attachments. Remove both back panels on the armrest and remove all three bolts that hold the armrest into place. Once the armrest is gone, undo the two bolts that hold the centrepiece into place. Before removing, remember to disconnect both the 12 volt and aux ports. We find it easier to disconnect the 12 volt while still in the centre dash. Once released, simply remove the gear cover by pulling it up and over the stick. Now begin to undo all the screws that surround the fascia panel. Once released, unplug the breakdown, SOS and light fixture from behind the fascia as shown. Finally, remove the following screws to remove the radio holster. If this is not removed, a double DIN will not have the space required. Begin by taking the buttons out of your old fascia and cut along the groove of the pocket as shown. Now place the buttons into your new fascia and take the bottom pocket and attach it to the clips located on either side. Grab the mounting bracket and attach it to the rear of the fascia. This will help you to line up the bracket to the head unit. Once it's lined up correctly, screw it into place. We've taken our CT Kenwood lead and attached it to the head unit's steering wheel remote. We've then attached the steering wheel interface to that of the head unit and attached the reverse and park brake bullet connections. We've then taken our CT27AA14 antenna adapter and attached the blue 12 volt amplified cable to the power loom. If your vehicle's aerial is not amplified, then this does not have to be connected. When all of this is done, go ahead and attach the CTS CT008 steering wheel interface to the car's power loom and stow it away. Once happy that no wires are being pinned and that everything is tucked away, simply screw the head unit back into place. Now thread the breakdown and SOS button connectors through the appropriate openings. We recommend attaching the buttons first, then pulling them into place. This will negate the possibility of sending out an SOS signal by accident. Once these and the pocket light have been attached, simply push the clips into place and reassemble the rest of your dash. You can now control your new aftermarket head unit by using your pre-existing steering wheel controls. The fascia kit has been specifically tailored to match the original aesthetic of your vehicle's dashboard.